Narrow stance squat. Stand with your feet narrower than hip distance apart. Make sure your pelvis is tucked in to engage your lower abdominals. Bend your knees to sit down onto an imaginary chair or just above. Keep your weight in your heels and your back upright. Stand back up and repeat. Narrow stance squat, 30 seconds. Knee plank. Start face down on a mat in a knee push-up position and cross the ankles over each other. Keep your abdominals tight to support the lower back and your head in line with the spine by looking straight down at your hands. Continue holding. Knee plank, 30 seconds. Curtsy lunge. Stand with your feet slightly wider than hip distance apart. Keep your back straight and abdominals engaged. Cross the right leg behind the left at the same time, bending the left knee, keeping it facing forward. Plant the weight into the left front foot to come back to the starting position. Repeat on the left side and continue alternating. Curtsy lunge, 30 seconds. Bird dogs. Begin on all fours in a tabletop position, hands directly under shoulders and knees under hips. Keep your back straight and lengthen your right leg behind you, pressing your heel into an imaginary wall. At the same time, lengthen out the opposite arm in front of you, then bring the leg and arm back to tabletop position and continue alternating. Bird dogs, 30 seconds. Calf raises. Stand holding on to the back of a chair for support. Slowly lift up onto your tiptoes and squeeze the glutes. Hold at the top for a few seconds, then lower the heels back down to the floor. Continue moving up and down. Calf raises, 30 seconds. Standing trunk rotation. Stand with your feet slightly wider than hip distance apart. Lift your arms to shoulder height and bend at the elbow. Slowly start turning your upper back, leading with the elbow so that you feel a slight twisting. Continue twisting right to left. Trunk rotation. 30 seconds.